Hey, it's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. I have a huge problem here. I have to hire somebody to level out this store. Just kidding. I'm actually going to create my own shelves with my mini brands segments from the 5 Surprise Balls. All you need are the segments from any 5 Surprise Ball, from Series 1 to the mini brands to even Unicorn Squad, and even Dino Strike can work with this too. Some of their segments work perfectly. You just need some hot glue, connect these pieces together, and then you're on your way to creating your own DIY mini mart. I love that Zuru works with TerraCycle with their bunch of balloons, water balloons, and their party balloons. So I would really love if Zuru actually did the same with their segments from 5 Surprise. I mean, these things can be really easily clipped together with some glue. Why not just like incorporate them where they snap together when you unbox them? So this is how you would be able to sign up for the recycling program. It's totally free to do it. Other companies do it, Zuru does it, and I actually mailed in our bunch of balloons from the summer to help reduce waste. They'll take them back totally for free. You can earn points also for donations and even to enter giveaways. Guys, let's get started with crafting. Stay tuned for more fun crafting videos, not just with 5 Surprise. I have so many more DIY videos, but I'm gonna focus on mini brands for a while because they're hot right now, and who doesn't love mini brands? Let's get started. Now, I'm using the 5 Surprise segments to make my own shelving. I saw in other people's videos that they actually turn them over and they make them like little scoops, but I actually wanna make display shelves for my mini brands. So what I'm doing is connecting the larger segments together. These are the quarter segments of the mini brands segments. And I just glue them together with some hot glue at the center and just clamp them together for a second or two and you're good to go. And what's great about hot glue is that it dries fast and it's just easy to use. If you are younger and hot glue is just out of reach right now, ask an adult to help you. You can go to the Dollar Tree and buy a hot glue gun and glue sticks. Sometimes the glue guns are hard to find, but they're there. They're not the best quality, so I would highly recommend going to Michael's or Amazon. I'll link that all in the description below, where you could find your own mini brands and get your own crafting glue gun. And this is actually the cool tip. So my kids use this no problem. Look how great this looks. Now we could fit some mini brands inside. I mean, obviously we're not gonna be able to fit like the larger ones. You could use those for the open shelving, but for like the smaller ones, like for the pickles or for the coffee, even the little seasoning packets, things like that that are just kind of hard to stay on the shelves. And plus, these are free and you're recycling, so it's a win-win here. Now let's move on to creating our own mini brands mart. Now, if you don't have the mini mart, it's $29.99 in stores. I link that in my description below too. These are affiliate links. You can buy those in store. And since I already have one, I actually want to expand on it. So I am taking my mini brands full case box. You can get this for free from Target or Walmart. If it is empty, the store will give it to you for free if you ask nicely. And there are actually free mini brands up front. So it's kind of like a win-win. Ask for it for free. They'll give it to you because these are just going in the garbage anyway. And just line it with construction paper, or I'm using heavy cardstock for my flooring and for my wall. I'm only putting the back of the mini brands box and leaving the sides because the sides are pretty cool. It's kind of like having like mini brands wallpaper. And I'm going to remove the front portion of it as well so I can get some free mini brands. I mean, I didn't have the feta, so now I do. Remove the front portion with some scissors so you can create a nice opening for easy play. And once you remove that portion, just make sure you line the rest of it with some more paper. And then you can connect it to your mini brands mart, or just use your cardboard mini brands mart as your display area or a play area. Now it's time to incorporate Series 1 with Series 2. I kind of separated it for a while for videos, but now I'm gonna mix them in. And this is how I actually organize all my mini brands. I keep them in a really, really large tackle box. This is a great way to store it. I'll also put that in my description below too, where you can get it. I got it on Amazon, and this holds all of them. And there's also a top portion too that actually holds everything also. I even have like a large shopping cart in there. So I cranked out a bunch of these shelving systems for my mini brands. I even use the quarter. So these are like quarter segments, and then there's like I don't know. I don't know anything about fractions. So there's even smaller segments that you can use at the top, and it's more open shelving. So honestly, guys, what do you think of what I did? Do you agree with this? I think it's great. I love this shelving systems that I created. And if you have some more creative ideas, leave them in the comments below. Check out my blog at playliverepeat.com for a full list of everything that you could use to create your own mini brand, mini Mart. Also, check out my description below with a bunch of shopping links. They are ad links, so I do get a small commission. Want to thank Zuru for sending me a full case of Mini Brands Series 2. Check me out on TikTok at ToyMom, and Instagram at play.live.repeat. Guys, what do you think? Comment below, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and ring that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Have a craftastic day.